Now we will discuss the measure of dispersion, mean deviation about the median. This also has accurate for finding the accurate central value of collection observation. Is another method for finding the accurate central value for using collection of observation. Now we discuss how to find the mean deviation about the median. It's the second method for finding the central value using measure of dispersion. Okay, here suppose x1, x2, x3, xn are n observation and their frequencies are f1, f2, f3, etc. fn. Here, suppose the frequency contained n, sum of the observation is n. If n is an odd number, then median is directly we find using the formula n plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2th observation is the median. And if n is an even number, then the median is the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus on the observation. You already know how to find the median using the collection of observation and their using corresponding frequencies. It will be discussed in our 10th class. Okay, so n collection sum of the observation we get n. n വന്നിട്ട് odd number ആണെങ്കിൽ our median is directly we find using the formula n plus 1 by 2 the observation ആയിരിക്കും median. And if n is an even number, then the median is the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus on the observation. If the class intervals are given, then mean deviation about the median is find out using the formula 1 by n into sigma fi into xi minus median. Here where median is find out using formula L plus n by 2 minus c by f into h. Actually mean deviation about the median is find out using this formula. Mean deviation about the median is equal to 1 by n into sigma fi into xi minus median. If just observation and the frequencies are given, where median is find out using this method, that is if n is an odd number, median is n plus 1 by 2 the observation, and if n is an even number, median is average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus on the observation. And if the class intervals are given, where median is find out using formula L plus n by 2 minus c by f into h. Where അവിടെ നമുക്ക് ഈവൻ ആണോ ഓഡ് ആണോ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. വെൻ ക്ലാസ് ഇൻ്റർവൽസ് ആർ ഗിവൺ അവിടെ നമ്മൾ ഈവനും ഓഡും ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന കാര്യമില്ല. ഓൺലി വി ഫൈൻഡ് n by 2. n by 2 കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ട് വി സെലക്ട് മീഡിയൻ ക്ലാസ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യും. വേർ എൽ കറസ്പോണ്ട് ടു ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദി മീഡിയൻ ക്ലാസ്. n by 2 is the number of observation. F is the frequency corresponding to the median class. H correspond to class width. And C is the we find a cumulative frequency, preceding cumulative frequency. That is a C. And we will discuss how to find a C in our problem. Okay, so collection of observation and their frequencies are given. If the class interval is not given, for directly collection of n observation and corresponding frequencies, sum of the frequencies we get to n. If n is an odd number, median is directly find using formula n plus 1 by 2 the observation. And if n is an even number, median is n by 2 and n by 2 plus on the observation, the average. If the class intervals are given, where median is found out using the formula L plus n by 2 minus c by f into h. L plus n by 2 minus c by f into h. This formula is already known because we discussed in our last class, I mean 10th class. Where L represent the lower limit of the median class, F represent frequency, H represent class width, and C represent preceding cumulative frequency. Now we find median, then we find mean deviation about the median using the formula MD is equal to 1 by n into sigma Fi into xi modulus xi minus median. Mean deviation about the mean formula is 1 by n into sigma fi into a modulus of xi minus x bar. Here the only difference is where we discuss x bar, here m. That is the difference. Okay, now we start the problems using this definition. First of all, we discuss about find the mean deviation about find about mean deviation about the median using the collection of observation and their corresponding frequencies. Here observations are already given. Here observations are 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 15, 21 and 22. And their corresponding frequencies are again 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 4 and 3. For finding median, here class interval is not given, only observation and their corresponding frequencies are given. Class interval തരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് formula apply ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് L plus n by 2 minus C by F into H. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് സം ഓഫ് ദി ഫ്രീക്വൻസീസ് വെച്ച് നമുക്കിത് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് പോകാൻ പറ്റും. സം ഓഫ് ദി ഫ്രീക്വൻസി ഡയറക്റ്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ട. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ വി ഫൈൻഡ് ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി. ദാറ്റ് മീൻ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് പോവുക. ഫസ്റ്റ് യു റൈറ്റ് 3, ദെൻ 3 plus 4 we get answer 7, 7 plus 5 we get answer 12, 12 plus 2 we get answer 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 23, plus 4 is 27, plus 3 is 30. That is frequency sum is also we get answer 30. Here n is equal to 30. You know, if n is an odd number, median is the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus on the observation. That is here median corresponding to average of n by 2 means 15th observation, average of 15th and 15th plus 1, that is 16th observation, average of 15th and 16th observation. Now we find what are the 15th and 16th observation. Using this cumulative frequency we get 15th and 16th observation. Here 7, 12, 14 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് 15 വരുന്നത്. അപ്പം 18 മുന്നേ ആയിരിക്കും 15ഉം 16ഉം വരുന്നത്. അപ്പം 15 വന്നിട്ട് 18 തൊട്ട് മുന്നുള്ള വാല്യൂ. സോ വി കൺസിഡർ 15th observation we consider as 13. 18th അകത്താണ് വരുന്നത് 15. സോ അതിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് വരുന്ന വാല്യൂ ഒബ്സർവേഷൻ വാല്യൂ ഈസ് 13. ദെൻ 16th ഒബ്സർവേഷനും വരുമ്പോൾ 16th വരുന്നത് 18 തൊട്ട് മുന്നെയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന ഒബ്സർവേഷൻ ഈസ് 13 ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ 2 ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു വി ഗെറ്റ് ആൻസർ 13. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എ മീഡിയൻ. യുവർ മീഡിയൻ ഈസ് 13. നമ്മൾ ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസിയിൽ 15th വാല്യൂ എവിടെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കുക. 15th വാല്യൂ 18th വരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ 18th നേരെയുള്ള ഒബ്സർവേഷൻ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 13 പ്ലസ് അടുത്ത് 16th വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി 16th ഒബ്സർവേഷൻ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി 16 റൗണ്ട് ചെയ്ത് വരുന്നത് 14 കഴിഞ്ഞ് 18 അപ്പോൾ 18 കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒബ്സർവേഷൻ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ദറ്റ് ഈസ് അഗെയിൻ 13. അവയുടെ ആവറേജ് ദറ്റ് ഈസ് വി ഗെറ്റ് ആൻസർ 13. സപ്പോസ് ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് 31 ആണ് സം ഓഫ് ദി ഒബ്സർവേഷൻ. സപ്പോസ് വി ഗെറ്റ് 31 ആണെങ്കിൽ അവർ മീഡിയം കണ്ടെത്താനുള്ള ഫോർമുല n plus 1 by 2 observation. That is n plus 1 by 2 means 31 plus 1. That is 31 plus 1, 32 by 2. That is 16th observation. 16th observation is same. Then 13 തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും അവിടെ മീഡിയം വരിക. Okay, here n is equal to 30 is an even number. So the median is average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus on the observation. We get answer 13. That is the median. Now we find modulus of xi minus median. Modulus of xi minus median. That is xi minus 13. Here xi is 3. 3 minus 13. That is equal to we get answer 10. Next is 7. Next is 4. 9 minus 13. 4. Then 12 minus 13, we get answer 1. Then 13 minus 13, 0. 15 minus 13, 2. 21 minus 30 is equal to 8. Then 22 is 9. Then multiplying frequency with this modulus value, that is 10 into 3, that is equal to 30. 28. 20. 2 into 1 is 2. 4 into 0 is 0. 5 into 2 is 10, 32, 27. Now adding this term, we get answer 149. That is some fi into xi minus median. Then mean deviation about the median for 1 by n into sigma fi into xi minus median. Sigma fi into xi minus median, we get answer 149 divided by capital N is 30 is equal to, therefore mean deviation about the median, we get answer now dividing, we get answer 4.97. That's all. It's a very simple question. First of all, you can understand how to find the median. Here the frequency sum. First of all, you find the sum of their frequencies. The frequency sum is an odd number. Then the median is n plus 1 by 2 the observation. N plus 1 by 2 means 30, suppose 29, then 29 plus 1, that is 30 by 2 the observation, that is 50 in the observation. 50 in the observation, 50 in the cumulative frequency, a number contain ചെയ്ത് വരുന്നത് നോക്കുക. 14 കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 15 വരും, that is 18 അകത്താണ് വരിക. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒബ്സർവേഷൻ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക, that is the median. If n is an even number, we find the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus on the observation. Here n is 30, അപ്പോൾ 30 by 2 that is 15 and 15 plus 1 that is 16. 15th and 16th observationൻ്റെ ആവറേജ് 15th വന്നിട്ട് 18 അകത്താണ് വരുന്നത്, 16ഉം 18 അകത്താണ് വരുന്നത്. അതിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ഒബ്സർവേഷൻ 13 and 13. So 13 plus 13 by 2 we get answer 13. That is the median. Next we find modulus xi minus 13, we get an answer. Now we find fi into modulus xi minus median, again we get answer. Sum of these values divided by 30, we get answer. Mean deviation about the median. That's all. Now we discuss using class interval how to find the mean deviation about the median. Using class interval how to find the mean deviation about the median. Here class interval is given. Class intervals contain elements are 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60 and their corresponding frequencies are 6, 7, 15, 16, 4 and 2. How to find the mean deviation about the median? First of all, we find the cumulative frequency. 6 plus 7 we get answer 13, 13 plus 15 we get answer 28, 28 plus 16 we get answer 44, plus 4, 48, plus 2, 50. That is frequency sum is also same 50. ഇത്തരം cumulative ക്ലാസ് ഇൻ്റർവൽ കേസുകളിൽ നമുക്ക് n ഈവൻ ആണോ ഓഡ് ആണോ എന്ന് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. Only frequency and just observations are given where we check here നമ്മൾ n is an even number or odd number. In this case directly we find n by 2. We find n by 2. n even ആയാലും odd ആയാലും directly we find n by 2. That is 50 by 2. What is 50 by 2? Is 25. 50 by 2 is 25. ഈ 25 കണ്ടെയ്ൻ ചെയ്ത് വരുന്ന cumulative frequency സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. Here 28നകത്താണ് 25 കണ്ടെയ്ൻ ചെയ്യുക. So we selected this class interval. This class interval is called median class. This class interval is called median class. 25 contain ചെയ്ത് വരുന്ന cumulative frequency 28നകത്താണ്. So അതിന് corresponding ആയിട്ട് class interval select ചെയ്യുക, that is called median class. Now we find a median. Now we find a median using the formula, L plus n by 2 minus c by f into h is equal to, here what is L? L is the lower limit of the median class, that is 20, plus n by 2, n by 2 is 25, minus c. C correspond to cumulative frequency, the preceding cumulative frequency. നമ്മൾ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന മീഡിയം ക്ലാസ്സിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന cumulative frequency preceding ആയി വരുന്ന cumulative frequency, that is 13 divided by f, corresponding frequency നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നു, frequency that is 15, corresponding frequency is 15 into h means class width correspond to 10, that is equal to 20. 15 minus 13, answer is divided by common cancelling board, we get answer 8. 20 plus 8 is equal to 28, which is a median. Now we find mid x. What is mid x? 0 plus 10 by 2, that is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Then xi minus median, that is 5 minus 28. 5 minus 28, we get answer 23. Then 15 minus 28. 15 minus 28, we get answer 13. Then 3. 35 minus 28. 35 minus 28 is 07. 45 minus 17. And last is 27. Now multiplying this modulus xi minus median with their corresponding frequency. അപ്പോൾ ഇയാളെ നമ്മൾ ഫ്രീക്വൻസി ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ fi into modulus xi minus median. That is 23 into 6. We get answer 138. Then 7 into 13. We get answer 91. Then 15 into 3. We get answer 45. 16 into 7. We get answer 102. 4 into 17, we get answer 68. And last we get answer 54. Now we find some of these values, we get answer 508. We get answer 508. Now we find the mean deviation about the median using formula. Mean deviation about the median using formula 1 by n into 1 by n into 1 by n into sigma fi into modulus of xi minus median. You know, fi into modulus xi minus median is 508 divided by 50 is equal to, we get answer 10.16, which is the required answer. That is mean deviation about the median. Answer is 10.16. Now discuss one more question using the concept of mean deviation about the median. Okay, here values are already given. Mean deviation of the median. Class is 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60. And their corresponding frequencies are 6, 8, 14, 16, 4 and 2. First of all, you write cumulative frequencies, that is 6. Then 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. Is equal to 14, 14 plus 14, 28, 28 plus 16, that is 38, 44, 44 plus 4, 48, and the last is 50, and the sum of the observations also 50. Then mid-x, you know, mid-x 0 plus 10 by 2, that is 5, then 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Now we find the median. You know median. Here n by 2. Here n by 2 correspond to 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. Here 25 contains the interval is 20, 30. Here L correspond to 20. Corresponding frequency f c, that is preceding cumulative frequency, is 14. Now the median formula L plus n by 2 minus c by f into h. Here the lower value of the median class is 20 plus n by 2 correspond to 25 minus c is again 14. Frequency is also 14 into h correspond to 10. That is equal to 20 plus 25 minus 14 is 11 into 10, 110 divided by 14. 110 by 14, we get answer 7.86. 20 plus 7.86 is equal to 27.86, which is the median. Now we find the modulus of xi minus median, that is modulus xi minus 27.86. We get answer xi correspond to 5. 5 minus 27, that is 22.86. Then 15 minus 27.86, we get answer 12.86. Then 25 minus 27.86, that is 2.86. 35 minus 27.86, that is 7.14. 45 minus 27.86, we get answer 17.14. Then 55 minus 27.8, that is 27.14. Okay, now you multiply this modulus xi minus median by xf, that is fi into xi minus median, that is 22.86 into 6, we get answer 137.16. Then 8 into 12.86, we get answer 102.88. Then 14 into 2.86, we get answer 40.04. Again 16 into 7.14, we get answer 114.24. Again 4 into 17.14, we get answer 68.56. And last 2 into 27.14, we get answer 54.28. Now adding this term, we get answer 517.16. And therefore mean deviation about the median is equal to, formula 1 by n into sigma fi into modulus of xi minus median. Sigma fi into xi minus median, we get answer 517.16 divided by 50. Finally, we get answer 10.34. That is the answer. Mean deviation about the median, we get answer 10.34. Okay. Already standard deviations and variance and SDR already deleted from CBSE. So these are the main two important sections regarding the topic statistics. First is mean deviation about the mean and mean deviation about the median. That's all. Bye.